Alright, so today I'm going to take you guys out to Coquitlam. This time we're going to go out to Woodland Walk Trail. So Woodland Walk Trail is about an 8-kilometer trip and it's going to take you about 3 hours. The elevation is not too bad, it's only 180 meters. So if you're looking for something a little bit flatter, this is for you. To get to this trail, you're going to follow Harper Rd and you're going to park right at the end. There isn't any parking spots around, so you're basically parking on the side of the road. Once you're here, you want to get to the yellow fence. This is where you're going to start your trail. You want to go past this yellow fence, up a gravel road until you get to a fork. So this fork either leads up to the left or levels off onto the right. You want to go left. So once you keep continuing on this road, you'll eventually see the Woodland Walk Trail sign. Once you're there, you're in the forest. Okay, let's go. Okay, so today we're out at Woodland Walk. Is it Woodland Walk?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm here with my friend Cass. This is Jordan.
Hello.
This trail is about 3 hours there and back.
Oh.
We'll see what this trail has in store. You guys hear that? There's the guns firing off. You thought this would be a nice quiet nature hike, but in the beginning, we're actually right next to a gun range. So you're gonna be hearing that for a while. Okay, we're halfway through Woodland Walk. You get to this fork and you get to see this view. It's pretty cool, except for this big power pole here. Okay, let's keep going. Big ramp. Jordan, you gonna jump off that thing? Run up it. Let's see what you can do.
Don't hurt yourself. Your mom's gonna kill us.
Like, this is a crazy bike ramp. I would not jump off this thing. Okay, I think we're about here. You can hear it. This is it. So this is Saw Blade Falls. Okay, so we just finished Woodland Trail and we actually found this other interesting place. To get here, what you want to do, you have to climb this steep section right after Woodland Trail, and it takes you to Saw Blade Falls. Here, look at this. Yeah, this falls. I'm on this tree, which I wouldn't really recommend to do. It's about 10-15 feet off the ground. It's pretty awesome. Check it out.